how to recover Fiverr password. So if you want to recover your Fiverr password, then first of all open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Fiverr, and then go for www.fiverr.com, which is on the first search, and now it will take you to the website. So you can simply go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and make sure to sign into your account. And then you can continue with your Google, or you can continue with your email or your username. So simply enter your email and username and then your password. So here you want to reset or recover your password, right? So what you can do is you can simply go for forgot password, which is here. Simply click on forgot password, and then you can simply enter your email address and click on reset password. And after clicking on reset password, you will receive a code or a link to your email address. So click on reset password and then open up your mail, and here you will have this reset your Fiverr password mail, right? Simply click on reset your password, and here you need to enter your new password with uppercase, lowercase letters and numbers. And after entering, click on change, and that's it. That's how you change your password on Fiverr, or that's how you recover your password on Fiverr. And now you can simply go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and then sign into your account. Simply enter the information which you have just updated, and then click on sign in, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.